Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll discuss the best 3D printer for anime. The output of a 3D printer can make or break your anime projects, so it's important to find the right one for your needs. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers for armor. To help you, we've compiled a list of the top 5 3D printers for anime. These individual 3D printers are used in any condition to make stunning 3D prints of your favorite anime characters. This printer is also beneficial for creating custom parts for your favorite anime. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer. If you are an anime enthusiast looking for the ultimate 3D printing experience, the ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer is an absolute game changer. With its exceptional features, this printer takes your anime creations to a new level. One of the standout features of the Photon M3 Max is its astonishing print volume. With a generous size of 13.0 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.5 inches, 30.0 by 29.8 by 16.4 centimeters, you have the freedom to bring your larger-than-life anime characters to reality. Moreover, the printer's 7K UV LCD screen boasts an impressive resolution of 6480 by 3600 pixels, ensuring that every intricate detail of your models is captured with utmost precision. The Photon M3 Max also has a massive 13.6-inch oversized LCD screen, allowing unrestricted creativity. Adding a replaceable anti-scratch film protects the screen from potential damage, ensuring longevity and durability. When it comes to speed, this printer excels. With a maximum printing speed of 60 mm per hour, you can bring your anime creations to life in record time. You can have a stunning 12 cm model ready to display in 2 hours. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.